Is it okay now? Voice is coming. Is it okay now? Voice is coming. Okay, fine. Okay. Fine. I think I missed some questions. Okay, all these questions gone. Whatever you have typed earlier, so maybe you have to type it again because I've reconnected it. Okay. Fine. Thank you. I think you people have to re-type your question because I missed the question which you have typed earlier. Okay, so I'll take it again. Abhishek Patil, your question not clear. CPR and high, etc. Not clear. Rajan Sani is asking which is good, stock or index. My, if you ask me honestly, I say trading in stock is better than, sorry, trading in index is better than trading in stocks. Okay, so this is answer to Rajan Sani. If you ask me honestly, which is good, stock or index? Index is good. If you see most of successful traders, they trade in index, Nifty or Bank Nifty. Why? Because it is easy to predict Nifty and Bank Nifty compared to stocks, and liquidity is high in Nifty and Bank Nifty compared to stocks. So slippage will be less and easy to trade index compared to stocks. For option selling, how much margin for one lot of Bank Nifty Nifty? Question from Sandeep. Sandeep, it depends on broker to broker. Zerodha, I think around 30,000 something. They charge you for one lot of Nifty or Bank Nifty. Tragus Pereira is asking, is volume important in CPR trading? Volume is nothing to do with pivot points and CPR. Even I don't follow volumes. I'm a price action trader. I follow only price action. Rajmohan Reddy, what is the percentage success of CPR? I can't tell exact uh, percentage of success, but it's high probability. Success rate is good compared to your indicators. Anantu asking, if we study trading properly, can we earn at least 10% of capital per month? Anantu, it depends on your experience, your skill set. With experience, you can do it. If you are new, then don't expect 10% immediately. Like any other profession, it will take some time. Successful trading also comes with experience, screen time, discipline, following the rules and all this. But there are traders who earn 10% and you can also do it with experience. Don't think that you like learn some strategy and next day only you'll keep making 10%. It will come only with experience. Tragus Pereira asking, do you look at correlation between related market, ESF and EQF? No, I trade only Nifty Bank Nifty. I look at only two charts. I don't look at any other things. What's your opinion of using Camarilla pivots for trading Nifty? Is asked by Natraj. Natraj, I use pivot points, standard pivots, not Camarilla. But I not done any back testing. I don't know how accurate is Camarilla. But in the book of Frank Ochoa book, Secret of Pivot Boss, he has mentioned about Camarilla also. Okay, you can do back testing. Any strategy, guys, I'll tell you, whichever YouTube video you watch, whoever big trader is, okay, always remember whatever the strategy you back test it and then use it. Don't follow blindly because whatever the YouTuber is saying, okay, so you should back test it. Back test it. Somebody may say that Camarilla pivots works very well. You have to back test it and then trade it. Don't try just trade it because somebody is saying. Sandeep is asking, who is your guru? My guru, there are many good traders where I think when I was like new trader and when I wanted to learn technical analysis and all this, I used to watch all videos on YouTube. In all means blindly randomly I follow every YouTuber video and think that they are good, and I download videos to watch it later thinking that they are good. I mean, I used to believe everyone is a good YouTuber, everyone is a good trader, every strategy is good. But after that I realized that, I mean, people just put it on YouTube just to get views and all this. That is not true. Then I decided. Then I came to know about Oliver Vélez. Oliver Vélez videos. The moment I watched his videos, that was the turning point. I realized this is the video. Yeah, he is the one. I have to follow him. And my first guru, I can say that Oliver Vélez. He's an American trader and very successful day trader. Neutral view asking how to keep control emotion while trade is going against my execution. Put stop loss. And if you can't control your emotion, put your stop loss. Once you take the trade, just go out of that room, go out of your trading room or where you have computer, laptop, whatever. Don't look at your order, don't look at your trade, put your stop loss and go away. That's how you can control emotion, so that you keep you'll not get emotional while trading. How to fix stop loss is asked by Ramya Samraj. How to fix stop loss? Stop loss should be 1% of your capital. Whatever your capital, if your capital is 1 lakh, then you should fix 1% of your capital as a stop loss. 1 lakh, 1000 rupees. If your capital is 2 lakh, always ensure that you risk only 1% of your capital. So that is how trading is done, not by taking huge risk to become overnight rich. If you want to know how to fix that stop loss, what is position sizing you can do, you can go to YouTube and you can type position sizing in trading and you can learn it. Okay. How much point we need to look for in Bank Nifty asked by Peren Adyaru. How much lot one should consider? Peren Adyaru, it depends on your experience. If you are not new to trading, then my advice is learn it first by trading only 1 or 2 lots. Then slowly increase it. Don't start trading 10 to 20 lots without any experience, without any knowledge how to do trading. Very soon you are going to be out of the market if you do like that. Remember, trading is not gambling. Don't come with gambling mindset. Learn it. How to link option chain data and trading view? PG Grox. I don't do any option chain analysis or anything like that, so I can't comment on it. Jayan, what is price action, sir? Please, you have to Google it. ध्रुव शुक्ला, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्डर प्लेस सर? जब मैं मार्केट ऑर्डर करता हूं तो प्राइस कभी कभी ऊपर मिलता है और कवर ऑर्डर में डायरेक्ट एग्जिट होता है, कोई प्राइस नहीं प्लेस कर सकते? uh, Dhruv, like my advice is I trade in market order. I'm not a fan of limit order. Okay, I trade in. I always place market order. I keep looking at spot chart. I look at spot chart, not futures or any option chart. Once I see right place to go long or go short, I hit my I keep my order ready. Either it is future or options, and I look at spot chart. So once I see right place, I just click my order. I don't look at limit order and all this, and I put my stop loss immediately. But taking profit, I look at again spot chart. For example, I took a long trade near CPR. Okay, once it is above the CPR, once it breakout happens, I take a long trade. Maybe I buy option or sell puts, whatever. And once it hits next resistance, R1 pivot, I book my profit. So for me, spot chart is everything, not futures or option. Dharma Prakash, can I put CPR on mobile? Yeah, you can put it on anywhere. Just you need to know the formula. That's it. Guys, we are almost 1 hour, so I thought 1 hour I'll complete. It looks like I'll not be able to complete. I'll give another 15 minutes. Please don't put any more questions now. Let me answer others' question. I'll do it one more live streaming next week. Okay, then I'll answer your question. Otherwise, you think that I'm not answering your questions. Now, don't put any questions more. I'll answer all the old questions first. Ganpati is asking, can I join tomorrow's webinar? Yes, Ganpati, you can WhatsApp me and I'll tell you how to register for tomorrow's webinar. George William asking, which book is best for option writing? George William, I'm not an expert. I sell options. I am an option writer most of the time, but I am not a option Greeks expert. Okay. I buy or sell option because it is cheaper than futures. Mehul Patel is asking, do you use trend line for intraday along with pivots since trend lines also acts as leading indicator? So let me tell you one thing I was never a big fan of is trend lines. I'm not a fan of trend lines at all. I'm only fan of horizontal lines. I never use trend lines in my trading because trend lines everyone uses differently. It's not accurate, I feel. Horizontal line, it is accurate, right? Trend line is not accurate. If you ask 10 people to draw trend line, 10 people use it differently. But if you ask 10 people to draw horizontal line based on support resistance, all 10 will draw it properly. That's why I'm not a fan of trend lines. I'm a fan of horizontal lines for support resistance. Okay, which type of order plays? Again, always I put market order for my buy or sell order, and my advice to everyone is SLM order. If you want to put your stop loss order, not SLL order, SLM order is better than SLL because SLM order means whatever the price, once price, suppose 200 rupees is your buy price, you place 180 rupees as SLM order. That means once price goes below and 180, it hits your stop loss. Sometimes there can be a jump and 180 might not come directly, it go to 176, 177. Whatever price below that, it will get executed. But SLL, only it get executed whatever price you have mentioned. So it is a little risky to put SLL order, but it is less chance in the index compared to illiquid stocks and all this. Tragus Pereira asking, are certain times better for trading than others? I advise opening first 1 hour is best time to trade compared to mid afternoon and last 1 hour. Last 1 hour mean after 3 o'clock not to trade because after 3 o'clock 3:15 your broker only square off your position. My advice is 9:15 to 10:15 best time to trade than 2 to 3 o'clock. Atul is asking for your class basics of technical analysis knowledge is required or anyone can attend. Atul, if you know what is candlesticks, if you know what is support resistance on your chart, that is enough. You don't have to have too much knowledge on anything. Just if you know basics of candlesticks and basics of support resistance, that's enough to attend my webinar. Parain asking how much points we need to look for in Bank Nifty and how much lot one should consider. Parain, how much points? Depends on which kind of trade. If you are taking scalping trade, then don't look for big, huge points. If you are taking a breakout trades, then you can think about taking, I mean, booking big profit or booking, I mean, look for a big points in Bank Nifty. Traders asking, can we combine EMA with pivot points? Yes, I combine EMA, 20 EMA I use, okay, with pivot points. But remember, EMA only powerful if market is trending. If market is sideways, then EMA has no use. Abhishek Patil asking, while watching pivot points, price action and CPR, should we concentrate on swing on the 5 minutes chart? Yes, your question is not clear for me, but I think you're asking whether swing we should consider. That is yes. How to identify strong supply and demand zone? Saurav, I can't explain it here because it is again big subject. You can read some good books. Supply area is nothing but where sell-off happened. Demand area where buying happened. That's it. Supply area, you see that market is going up, and suddenly market reverses. I mean market start going down. The place where market reversed is the supply zone. You see that sometimes, right? Market is keep going down and suddenly bounce happens and keep going up. The place where bounce happened, that is demand zone. That's it. You can You will know if you know how to read charts. Yes, I buy or sell option based on pivot points and price action. Affable Pawan is asking what is the use of TC and BC in CPR? We can go ahead with pivot point line. No, pivot point line is the central pivot. You have to have TC, BC also. That is what CPR is all about. Don't trade just on the central line. Have top CPR and bottom CPR, all three lines. Muzamil Momin, I don't trade in Maruti or Bajaj Fin Service, so I can't answer your question. Rohit, your question is indices futures or equity future. I trade in indices, futures or options, but not in equity. But nothing wrong in trading in stocks. That is depends on individual to individual preference. I like trading in stocks. Sorry, I like trading in index. That's Nifty, Bank Nifty. Some people are fan of trading in stocks. So if you are fan, nothing wrong in that. But trade only stocks which have high liquidity, not low liquidity like mid cap, small cap, and penny stocks and all this. Don't trade in that. Darren is asking, can we put Bollinger Band in pivot point in index trading? Not required. Bollinger Bands and all this, I'm not a, I mean, according to me, learn price action on your chart. Look at where are support resistance, put your pivot points. When price comes to the important support or resistance or important pivot points, CPR, look for the price action, candlestick price action, and take your trades accordingly. That's it. No need to know put the Bollinger Bands and all this. Mehul is asking how to select strike for Nifty, Bank Nifty for selling option. Mehul, if you are selling option, my advice is always sell out of the money options. Okay. You see that if you sell out of the money options, if it is near to expiry like Wednesday, Thursday, even though market is little bit, suppose you are short, okay, you think market will go down, you sell call option and market doesn't go down, stays there only a little bit goes up, still you see that your stop loss doesn't get hit because of time decay, theta factor will give you that edge. So that is why I said once you become option seller, you will love it. You will not become option buyers again. Okay. So always sell out of the money options, but stop loss is must. Don't trade without stop loss, very risky, and you can wipe out your capital if you don't keep stop loss in option selling. Mr. Virback is asking Fibonacci pivot same as standard pivot? No. Fibonacci pivot is different, standard pivot is different. I prefer standard pivot. I don't consider Fibonacci pivot. Niklesh Upadhyay is asking, sir, should we use future or price chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty? Spot chart. Okay, not futures or options chart. Go for spot chart. Spot chart is everything. Remember, spot futures and options are derivatives of spot. So for your signal, buying signal, selling signal, whatever it is, look at the main futures chart, not the future or options. Sorry, main spot chart, not future or option. DD writes asking how many trades do you take? See, I have some formula that I trade only 2 to 3 trades maximum per day, and sometimes it may happen that I may not get any trade for entire day. So trading is not about compulsory. You have to be in compulsion to take trade. Sometimes if you don't see any patterns, don't see opportunity, you should not take the trade. For example, this week, this Monday to Friday, hardly there were much trades, many patterns. Okay, first 2 3 days there were yesterday. Yeah, it was good patterns yesterday day before, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there were not many patterns. So sometimes it may happen that only trade whenever you see good patterns. Your trading timing, sir? My trading timing 9:15 to 3:30, but I prefer opening First 1 hour more than trading in the afternoon. Ramya asking how to follow risk management. Ramya, you have to watch my YouTube video. I made a YouTube video on risk management, Holy Grail trading. Holy Grail, yeah, risk management, Holy Grail of trading. But there is something called position sizing. I have not discussed position sizing in my video. So my advice is watch some video, or I discuss that in the webinar also, how to do position sizing in day trading. You can attend my webinar and you can learn it, or you can watch on YouTube. Type position sizing in the search in YouTube and you learn what is position sizing. That is also part of risk management. Position sizing will tell you how much lot you have to take in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or stocks, whatever. Which chart to follow, spot or future? Again, spot chart, not futures chart. Future is a derivative of spot, so follow spot chart. Market profile is the best indicator, asked by Tanaya. Tanaya, market profile also good concept, but I don't have knowledge on market profile, so I can't comment on that. But market profile also good concept which is used by many successful traders. Yes, Anantu is saying I watch Oliver Vele's trades, but he's not using pivot points. Yes, I said Oliver Vele is good in price action. If you want to learn price action, go to Oliver Vele's. If you want to learn pivot points, go to Frank Ochoa. You can go to his blog. He's not very active on YouTube. Go to blog called pivotboss.com. Okay, Google it, pivotboss.com, and you can learn about pivot points from his blog. Niklesh, again, you have to follow price chart, that is spot chart. Okay, most of questions I see already I repeated, so I'm not going to take those questions. Anything new I see, then only I'm going to repeat. I'm going to take it. Iqbal is saying, can you split your pivot trading webinar in two sessions? Because very difficult at the stretch for 6.5 hours. Iqbal, that's what few people say, that before the webinar they say that 6.5 hours, is it easy to remember everything? That's why I give 2 months access to Telegram channel, where every day after market hours I post Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, and I explain daily price action with the patterns. Which patterns happened today, where you should have taken trade, where you should have kept stop loss, where you should have taken your profit, what is the reason, everything. So that once you know it, next time when that pattern happens, you know that how to trade it. But your question is difficult for 6.5 hours. Many people asked me before that, but after the webinar, no one said it was difficult for 6.5 hours to understand everything, because my webinar is not something very complicated kind where you find it very difficult to understand. It's a art. Trading is a art, and I am a chart. I teach how to read the chart. Okay, that is not something difficult science or mathematics or something difficult to understand. It's arts. All in all, options or future open interest. I am not expert in open interest or option chain, so I can't answer your question. Manoj is asking on what basis we can select strike price and call and put. Manoj, first you have to decide whether you are an option buyer or option seller. If you are an option buyer, then my advice is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, you can go slightly out of the money, fine, or at the money is fine. But Wednesday, Thursday, don't take the risk of buying out of the money call or puts, because you'll see that even though market is going your direction, your option premium is not going up because it's out of the money. So my advice is, if you are a buyer, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, preferably Tuesday maybe at the money, and Wednesday, Thursday go in the money option. राजेश कुमार asking, sir, निफ्टी का लेवल क्या होगा on Tuesday? Rakesh Kumar, I don't predict market in future. I don't predict what is going to happen Monday, Tuesday. Market is going to up or go down. I don't predict this. Prediction is only for astrologers, not for traders. Being a trader, be ready with your order, be ready with everything, your levels and all this during live market. And once you see any good patterns, bullish pattern, go long. Bearish pattern, short it. That's what you have to do, not predicting market whether it is going to go up or go down. Which is the best time frame for bank nifty? According to me, 5 minutes time frame is good for bank nifty. Saurav Tiwari asking, any books to understand demand and supply zone? I already mentioned. You can read Price Action by Al Brooks. Al Brooks, Price Action Trading, or yourtradingcoach.com. Go to that blog or website, and there is a trader called Lance Beggs. He is an Australian trader. He he has written some e-books on all this price action. You can learn from there. How to start day trading every day, news or technicals? Ramya, I don't trade on news. Whenever I'm expecting any events or news, I try to avoid that day. So I take trade based on technicals. Channa is asking, end of the day data analysis. I don't do any data analysis. I don't look at how much FII bought today, how much DIS sold today, how much is the FIIs bought or sold, and all this. I only believe in charts. I look at the charts and patterns. That's it. I don't look at option chain or open interest analysis. Nothing, and nothing wrong in that. I don't believe in that. I do what I believe in. Sudhakar Govindrao Kulkarni, I'm coming to your question. Tragus Pereira, where do learn option selling? Pereira, there are many trainers available in Twitter, and there are some good traders also who conduct training and all. Since I'm not a typical option seller, I can't comment on exactly who is good and where you can learn from. So that call you have to take. Pivot plus Hekinashi is a good combination by S. Raut. My answer is no. Pivot and regular candle is a good combination, not Hekinashi. Alien, yeah, I'll plan for live trading sometime in future. Sudhakar is asking Sudhakar Govind Rao Kulkarni, can we use this for long-term investment in stocks? I don't know what you are exactly asking. Can we use this mean what? You mean to say pure points or CPR? If your question is pure points or CPR for long-term investment in stocks, then no. Pivot points and CPR for trading, not for long-term investment. Pivot points and CPR can be used for day trading or swing trading or positional trading. If you have a long-term investment in stocks, then not pivot points. Go for fundamental analysis and look for supply demand zone. That's it. No pivot points for long-term investment. Muzamil Mumin is asking CPR function not in Zerodha. Could you guide me alternative? CPR It is not that in Zerodha you have to go to Trading View. Open a free account. You don't have to do any payment and all this. Free account also you can get it from there, but you can get it from the. I mean, you can get it from the Excel file also. The formula I have already given in one of my video. Vijay Kumar Mugli, how to recover losses? Make one video. Vijay Kumar, I already told this in the beginning to someone. Whatever loss you made, forget it. Over. That is okay. That is gone. Is gone. Don't worry about whatever losses you made. Don't be in revenge mode to recover your losses. Now, learn trading. Start making savings. If you are working or have business or whatever, continue with that. If you have job, continue with your job. Make savings, same time learn trading, and finally once you see that you have made good savings, you don't have any liabilities, then take up trading as a full time, maybe that time, not come to trading to recover your losses. So if you come with revenge mode, you may lose, you may lose more also. Arun Kumar, your favorite option strategy? I'm not a option strategist. I buy calls or I buy puts or I sell calls or I sell puts, but sometimes I do short strangle. When I say market is in the range bound, market in the sideways, I do short strangle. That is selling calls and selling puts out of the money and eating premium only whenever I expect market to stay range bound. And remember why it works most of the time, because out of 20 to 22 working days, only 3-4 times market goes in trend mode where short strangle won't work. But you know that most of the time market is in the I mean range bound, right? Sideways. So that's why most of the time short strangle works. But if it is market is in some trending mode, then you should not do that strategy. Velva Rajan, you can WhatsApp me if you want to join the webinar. Okay. Amal is asking very good question. Can you explain the mistakes you made in your starting time? Yes, I made lot of mistakes. What everyone is doing. I did not learn anything about technical analysis or any strategy or anything. I just entered stock market trading, day trading. It was very long back, 15 years back, and I thought I can make money successfully. I can leave my job and I can live by trading, but it was not true. Within 6 to 8 months, I lost all my money because I didn't have any strategy. I had a gambling mindset. I didn't know about risk management. I didn't know about position sizing. I didn't know about how to control emotion. So all is a dangerous cocktail to lose your money. So if you don't have any knowledge on whatever I discuss, then don't enter into trading. Abhijit Pandit is saying first 5 minutes candle is Maribozo, but the stock went desperately downside. Why? That is what Abhijit. Don't just buy or sell based on candle. If Maribozu candle you see, it doesn't mean that it market is keep going to go up. Okay, so it is a trap. So don't. That is not how you will do trading. Don't just buy or sell because you've seen Maribozu candle or if you've seen bearish candle. Can you post your WhatsApp number, Kiran? It is already there in my videos and all this. You can get it in my attachment. Prasad, you can WhatsApp me. Below my video in the YouTube, I given my webinar details and all this. In that banner, you can see my WhatsApp number. Praful is asking, is swing trading better than day trading? Both have both pros and cons. Day trading is tougher than swing trading because swing trading you have time on your side. Day trading you don't have time. 9:15 market opens, by 3:30 you have to close the market. I mean market closes, so you have to spare off your position same day. But day trading has one benefit that you can sleep peacefully. You don't have to worry what happens overnight. But if you are a swing trader, if you have open position, then you will not get peaceful night. If there is some big news in US market and next day market can open gap up or gap down, and if your position is open, you will be always have sleepless nights. So day trading of gives you Peaceful nights. 3:30 market closes. You don't have to worry till next day morning. Yes, Abhijit, I use ATR with pivot points. Which is the best books for technical analysis? You can read Martin Prince. Okay, he has written a book on technical analysis that is good. I don't trade in stocks, so I don't have any view on HDFC Bank, Vishnathan. When you sell option, what is the stop loss? It depends on spot chart. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll be closing this in another 5 minutes. So whatever I missed, I'll just take it. Because it has been almost 1.5 hours now. Thanks for joining it. So I'll take it any important question in next 5 minutes. So don't post any more questions. I'll not be able to take it. Vinayananda, I'm not a option expert, so I can't answer your question exactly. You have to contact somebody who is expert in options. Satyanarayan asking which you prefer, trending or hedging. I don't do hedging. I don't use trend lines. Ayush Bajaj is asking pivot is seen on daily chart. Yes, pivots. I mean pivot you can be seen on daily charts. Ashish Kumar is asking you trade in F and O. Yes, if you trade in index like Nifty, Bank Nifty, you can trade only in F and O. You can't trade in cash. Will you trade based on your old trading strategies or pivot points? Srino, my trading strategies have both pivot points and price action. So I use same strategies which I've been using for years. I'm not trying to learn new things. Whatever I learn, I try to master it. Krishna is asking any website to practice virtual trading, that you have to check it because I think you can do paper trading with trading view. I'm not sure. You have to check it. Some websites offer you to do paper trading. Pichitananda Mishra, there is no CPR for Zerodha. You have to open a free account in TradingView. Partha is asking, what is science pivot points? What is the logic? Pivot points are nothing but based on previous day price action. It will only give you the support and resistance on your chart based on previous day. For daily pivot, weekly pivot will give you what happened in previous week and it will give you the average, and same for monthly pivot also. Deva Samudra asking for intraday only one of stocks is enough or change it every day. My advice is stick to only some stocks and only trade in that. Don't trade new stocks every day. Maybe try to get 5 to 10 stocks, make it as your favorite stocks and only trade in that 5 to 10 stocks every day, because there are hundreds of stocks. If you keep trading new stocks every day, you will not master anything. Decide which 5 to 10 stocks, highly liquid stocks, and trade only in those stocks, or only trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty like me, indices, or stocks or commodity. Only select few commodities and trade in that. Okay, I think almost maximum questions I have taken already. Krishna is asking what are technical have in your chart. On my chart only you see candlesticks, pivot points and average true range indicator. Shankar Rao, I'm not a fundamental analyst, so I can't say anything about LIC Housing Finance. I'm a trader, not an investor actually. Partha is asking whether option chain is more reliable than price action for swing trading. I'm not an option chain expert, so I can't answer it. I don't follow option chain, open interest analysis, nothing. For me, only chart reading, pivot points, candlesticks. That's it. Pivot points, candlesticks only my friends in day trading. I don't look at all this data. Okay, so Parain, I have not planned any advanced kind of this one. Maybe in future I'll come with a webinar for swing trading. But day trading, whatever I teach in my webinar, that's it. I'm not trying to add any more indicators or any new things. Okay, maybe swing trading, I'll do some back testing for pivot point CPR on swing trading because pivots can work on swing trading as well. Stochastic momentum index is reliable. Maripala, Ramesh, I'm not a fan of stochastic because it gives different signal on every time frame. Different time frame, different signal it gives. So I'm not fan of stochastic. Intraday better or positional better? Already I explained. Intraday you can sleep peacefully once market closes. If you are a positional trader, you have to always worry what happens overnight. So that's what you want to decide whether you want to sleep peacefully at night or you want to have disturbance thinking about what is going to happen tomorrow morning, whether there will be a gap up, gap down. So if you are a person, then better to become a swing trader. Okay, guys, thanks for your questions and joining. Already 173 people who joined me. So I would not be able to take any more questions because it has been 1.5 hours. It's my first live streaming. I never did live streaming earlier, so there were some technical issues and all. But it is good that 1.5 hours it went just like that. So it is good to meet all my subscribers. So I hope you are liking my YouTube videos. So please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Okay. And see you again. Maybe I'll try to have one live streaming once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Okay. Maybe weekends like this, either Friday or Saturday. Okay. So thank you guys and thanks to all for joining this live streaming and see you again next week. Thanks.